some of the manufacturers will put limitations on it, and and you got to read it and understand what's a consumable part that maybe they only cover for 90 or 120 days or something. They may claim they have a 3-year warranty, but there's limitations in it. The manufacturers we represent, I can't think of an exception, and I may be wrong, but they are covered, all the parts, so belts, door locks, water valves, igniters for the full, let's call it 3-year. And a few of them have the option too that you can purchase like a 5-year extended parts warranty where everything is covered. So understand what you're buying. Understand freight is not covered. So if you got the part, you came here to the shop to pick it up, that's no cost. If we're shipping a part and having to return it to the manufacturer, that shipping, the manufacturers do not cover that. That's just part of the expense of the warranty, and know that you're going to have to pay for that. I can't answer this for all companies, but I will tell you our company, we warranty it for a full year. So the parts and the labor are warranted once you do a repair with us. It does get a little frustrating, I think, for customers with we're out there, we fixed it, and then something else that's unrelated to it breaks. Being able to differentiate and say, no, we changed a drain valve and now it's a water valve problem. Those are not the same. And so understanding of what it is that you're getting a warranty with, it's a challenge sometimes to make sure expectations meet reality and that we're doing the best we can. But if we walk by the dryer and we're working on the washer, it doesn't mean we broke the dryer. But at the same time, I think any professional company would want to, if I put bearing seals in a really expensive repair and within a year it started leaking again, that you would expect that to be handled, and we do that.